What?
I'm on the field.
You're on what?
I'm out on the field right now. I'm on the field, so nobody lands.
Hi, Joey.
Make sure no planes land right now.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate your kindness.
Another day at the RC field. There goes the course there. And bunny-haired kid getting ready for his P-51 flight.
No. P-51 on the field. I'm just gonna take off right now. Take off.
Oh, pass over runway 2 dagger. Yes. And I took a picture.
Love pass. P-51 under the sun. That's Daniel.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do a touch and go soon. I'll go over the sun. Ah, don't go over the sun! Ow!
Go up all the way. God, why is it so
I can hear it.
I know, but
Where'd you go? I lost out there.
I'm gonna try. Oh, I missed the runway. I'll go after you. I'm gonna try again after you land, after you touch it. Don't fly over the pit. Oh. Touch and go, quick. I did touching you, yes, I didn't even realize that I did. God, they're so fast with the wind. I'm gonna do a full stop landing. Cal, is this what? Requesting full stop landing.
How long do you want me to film for?
I'm gonna go up again. Let me get this puppet in the air. What?
It's fast.
Don't land yet.
Look at that. Look at that truck. It's a nice truck over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Plane right there.
Oh wow, you're looking.
Plane. Donut. 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 Donut.
No, I don't want you eating all my pudding.
Donut.
I just realized that. We don't have to worry about go-aheads anymore, because